The semiconductor materials and components market is the backbone of modern technology, driving everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. By 2033, this market is projected to reach about $100.25 billion United States dollars, powered by constant innovation and rising demand across various industries. Key material types include silicon, which dominates due to its established role in chip making, and compound semiconductors like silicon carbide and gallium nitride, known for high efficiency and power electronics. Major components are integrated circuits, discrete devices, optoelectronic devices such as LEDs and sensors, and power semiconductors crucial for energy management. Semiconductors enable computing, power management, wireless communication, imaging, and signal processing. Consumer electronics lead demand, but automotive, industrial, telecommunications, and healthcare sectors are rapidly increasing their semiconductor use, especially as electric vehicles, 5G networks, and smart factories expand. North America remains a leader, driven by investments in high-end chip production and electric vehicles, while Asia-Pacific is the fastest-growing region, fueled by massive manufacturing capacity and booming electronics markets in China, Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan. With a compound annual growth rate of 4.1%, the market's future is shaped by breakthroughs in materials, manufacturing, and ongoing collaboration between global leaders